Hello, Richard here from drivinghorizons.com, and today I'm going to show you 5 campsites that you may want to consider visiting in 2022. Hi there and welcome back to the channel. Richard here from drivinghorizons.com. It's great to have you. We've been to a lot of campsites in the last 4 or 5 years since we rented a van and then we bought our own one in 2017. So I thought this might be a good time to share you 5 of our favourite campsites we would consider going back to this year. We don't really revisit campsites that often, but these are ones that we probably would if we were going to the area. So let's get right into it, starting on the south coast of England. And real quick before we start here, if you like this video, why not go ahead and click that thumbs up button, and if you really like the video, head over and subscribe to the channel. So the first one on our list is Highlands End Holiday Park. We visited here in 2018 and 2019. It is situated on the south coast of England between Lyme Regis and Weymouth, and it is a great base for exploring that part of the world. The facilities are clean and tidy with a decent shower and toilet block. There's a bar and a restaurant if you don't fancy cooking in your van. And there's also a pool, sauna and a soft play, but note these are chargeable. Why would we go back? Well, it's a great location perched on top of the Dorset cliffs. Stunning views if you snag one of the cliff top pitches. Plenty of walks, a beach just down the hill, and some great photo opportunities, especially if the weather is kind and you can enjoy those starry skies. And next up is the Cheddar Gorge Caravan and Motorhome Club site. We took a trip there in 2021 and stayed in this and another site just down the road called Buckle Grove. We prefer the Cheddar Gorge Caravan site because it is just a short 10 or 15 minute walk to the start of the Cheddar High Street, where you'll find bars, restaurants and shops. And of course a great walk around the gorge itself. As you'd expect from a caravan and motorhome club site, everything was clean, tidy and has everything you need. Pitches are neat and spacious and the site is well kept. The reason for us going back? Well, mainly for Cheddar Gorge. We'd love to explore the area a bit more, visit the caves which were closed when we went in 2021, plus it's only 40 minutes to Bristol and 30 minutes to Weston-super-Mare. Next up we have the Pencelli Castle Caravan and Camping Park. We stayed at Pencelli Castle Camping Park in August 2019. It is conveniently located within the Brecon Beacons National Park, making it useful to explore the area. While we were there, we visited the Brecon Mountain Railway and the National Show Cave Centre for Wales. There is decent washing up, showers and toilet facilities there. And as already mentioned, it is conveniently located right in the middle of the Brecon Beacons, perfect for exploring. The reasons we'd go back? Well, there's lots of things we want to see and do around Brecon Beacons National Park. We want to hunt out a few waterfalls and explore the Llangorse Lake, the largest natural lake in Wales. Plus, I would also like to take a drive down the Black Mountain Pass, which is reportedly one of the best drives in the UK. Next up we have Wareham Forest Touring Park, and we visited here back in 2018. The site sits perfectly within the Wareham Forest near the south coast of England, making it perfect for exploring all the area has to offer, including the Jurassic Coast. There is no bar or restaurant on site, but you do get a heated outdoor pool with a children's pool alongside. There's also a decent play area and the usual shop that you'd expect. We would mainly revisit, I think, if we just wanted a chilled out weekend where we could make good use of the pool
I saved something for you.
Thank you, darling. And perhaps take the bikes into the forest. Lovely, don't worry about what Matt says. Yummy, not yucky. I think this would be a one-nighter where we could chill and not rush around to see too much. And last but definitely not least on our list is Concierge camping. This one had been on our list to visit for a while and we finally got there in August 2021. It's just a 4-mile or a 10-minute drive from Chichester in West Sussex and roughly 30 minutes to places like Portsmouth, so it could give you a great base to explore the area. However, with facilities like these and the neat and manicured pitches, plus the comfortable bar area, you perhaps won't want to venture too far anyway. Why would we go back? Well, probably just to relax again, to enjoy the great facilities and perhaps just sit by the pitch, reading, writing, soaking up the sun or watching the world go by. Okay, so there we are. 5 campsites that we would definitely consider going back to in 2022. I hope you found that useful. There's reasons why that we'd go back to them. You've seen some clips of the trips we've had there already, so I hope you found that useful. One more thing before I go, we have got so much coming up over the next 2 months or so. We've got 2 motorhome shows we're going to. We're going to the Lake District. We're visiting the motorhome show in Exeter and we're visiting the big one at the NEC in Birmingham. So we're going to have loads and loads of videos, loads of content. The trip around the Lake District, we're hiring a camper van or motorhome / camper van. I'm going to keep that a secret for now. All I'm saying is subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so that I can send you all these great videos. Come on the journey with us. You'll see us going around these motorhome shows, walkthroughs on some of the vans and motorhomes that we like the look of. Loads and loads of stuff coming up, so don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.